Okay, let's see, make sure we're recording. Okay, we're recording. This is Karl F. Rose recording from Bedford, Pennsylvania on Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. Uh, Happy April Fools, and this is no April Fool's joke. We're going to talk about, I'm recording this on my easy screen recorder, so we're looking at my screen right here for my tablet, and we're going to talk about live streaming on mobile directly to YouTube from Lily, Lily, live. And if you're looking at my screen here, it's this little flower icon right on my forehead there. I kind of got like an alien head art that I did. Anyway, let me tap on this. This is going to be just a kind of a brief video, but I just want to show you. I've been scouring all over Google Play and everything for live streaming on mobile since I don't have 1,000 subscribers. So this looks like I'm going to be doing a test. I'm going to be doing a test live stream probably Sunday morning, and my Sunday night evening live stream is going to be done on my phone. I've got all the setup for that, and I've got the tripod and everything, but that's for something else. So let's go into this here real quick. Tap onto this. Okay. Let's get all organized here. Okay. Okay. All right. Damn it. All right. Got this here. Yeah. That's the only thing I don't like about this tablet is it does detach, but it's really all right. Well, you're just gonna have to deal with it. I'm just in my chair here, trying to deal with all this. Okay. Anyway, here you go. You have all the options here. As you can see, I have my account set up for YouTube. Then you can also do Twitch. You can do Facebook Live. Let me move my little face out of here. You can go to Ustream, Wowza, or RTMP. So let me move my face over here. Can I make this? Yeah, there we go. Yeah, good. I knew I could make my face cam bigger. There we are. All right, there, that's better. Okay. Yeah, let's go into here and tap onto YouTube real quick. Okay, and here we are. All right. Okay, this might not be working because I don't have my screen here. So I'm going to be looking at this. Anyway, here's the setup as it's going straight into my my main YouTube channel. You can only, I think, let's see, can you do more than 720? Oh, it can do 1080. Okay, that's good. Okay, you can do 1080. Obviously, I'm not going to go into this, but here's the setup, and you just go right in there, and then you can add in your title. It has other options. So anyway, I just want to get out of that. Exit the app, yes. Okay. Okay, took me to an ad. All right, let's see if I can get out of this ad. Okay, get out of that. Okay, get out of that. Get out of that. All right. Oh no. Okay. And exit. Okay, no. All right, go back. Let's get out of this. Okay, there we are. Well, apparently it took me. Did I end my recording? No, I didn't end my recording. Okay. Anyway, well, that's about it. I'm going to stop my recording now. I just wanted to show you this live stream setup from mobile, from Android. So anyway, we will talk to you next. Oh, if you like these videos, please be sure to click on the cards on either end of my, at the end of the video, either end, and then the subscribe button. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. Plus, I have links in my description. And be sure to go and check out all the different things I have in my playlist. And we will talk to you next time.